This is Riding 101 and we are going to be talking about lane discipline this time on, especially on Indian highways, and that's main objective of this video. This is Sandesh and this is SandyVLogs. Let's get started. Okay, the number one thing that we have to keep in mind while we are going on Indian roads is more in particular about how the roads are made. If you take highways, especially in India, they are mostly inclined towards having 3 lanes or 2 lanes. The highway right now I'm riding is having 3 lanes. This is an outer ring road, almost like running parallel to the GST road in Chennai. This road is very secure in terms of compared to other highways in Chennai city, and it's not that far off from the main road too. But the main deal about riding on such roads is basically having a good sense of how behavior of other people is. That is, it's not just you on the road. These are trucks and heavy vehicles, and at the same time cars traveling at very high speeds. So it's very important that you keep in mind it's not just you on the road. Now if you think about it, the roads are always divided based on the lanes. There are 3 lanes in particular. They do not have a certain purpose, but they certainly have a meaning. And on top of that, it's very important that you have mirrors and all sorts of extra things that would help you see better, because on highways you cannot ride without visibility. You will be changing lanes between lanes, and you will be encountering issues with different speeds. One of the main reasons being each lane is designated with a certain speed, and the speed does not correlate to where you are currently or what you wish to be at. Now if you think about it, the last lane is mostly for the people who go generally slow, and the last lane could be used for service lane at the same time. Even though there's one on the left, the extreme left, people use the left lane for servicing. I would suggest people not to be on this lane unless and until you're having a scooter. At the same time, the middlemost lane is generally used for mid-range to high-speed traveling. So that includes changing lanes using the middle lane, at the same time traveling 80 plus on the middle lane. Be 70 below if you're on the leftmost lane, and 80 above if you're on the middle lane. The top speed rated on this highway is 100 kilometers per hour, but I would be going all the way to 120. So if you plan on doing such things, stay away of trouble and keep to the right side. Now if you look over here, this guy on the right just took in from the right even for no reason. He was supposed to park on the left and then move in from the left to the right, but these people in India do not give a shit about highways, and they do not follow the basic rules. So to be on the safe side, it's essential that you keep in mind that you are not the only person on the road. Now if you think about this, if you maintain a middle lane road, you'll always have to maintain about 80-88. And if you go over, I'll show you a very simple example. Okay, so if you maintain the right side lane, you gotta go fast, you gotta keep up fast. Now if someone is coming on the right side lane and they really want to overtake you, they will flash at you, they will do a pass light, and they will honk at you. But if you ignore these things, they will continue raging at you, because that lane is supposed to be empty no matter what you try to do, and that lane is supposed to be clear and for high speed traveling. So if you're trying to be stupid by any chance, it's better you not stay on that lane and stay on the middle or the leftmost lane. If you plan on taking your phone out or navigating through your way, it's better you stop at the extreme leftmost lane that is taken after you cut from the main road. Now certain elements can be kept in mind, certain elements can be ignored at the same time, but it is very important that we always check our mirror no matter how we are and what state we are. If you think about it, majority of the accidents in India happen due to the fact that bikers believe that they don't need mirrors, and that is the most dumbest thing I've heard in my entire life. Now let's do a thing. We'll overtake the right side, and then now you'll notice that there's a car behind me. It's not exactly visible in the mirror due to the camera angle, but then there is a car on the right side, and now he's going to the left side because I'm going passive and below 90, and that guy was coming at 110 I believe. I'm not exactly sure, but he will overtake me from the left side. That's how naturally things work on highways, and this is the most possible reason and probable way how things would be going if you are riding on the same road. Now, people will overtake you unexpectedly from the left side. Be prepared for anything and everything. There could be cattle on the road. There could be people, jaywalkers. There could be debris on the road from trucks that haven't covered their tops, and rocks and stuff. You don't know what happens on these kind of roads, and you don't have great visibility at night. Sometimes the street lights work, sometimes they don't. They're not that reliable. But all I can say is ride safe, and always have a clear mind when you're on your bike, and keep and be very aware of your surroundings. As long as you're concerned about those 3 things, I'm pretty sure you'll be safe on the road. Have a safe ride, and I almost reached my destination. It's just 7 kilometers. So before you take a left, always check your, clearly check your left and then cut into the service lane. That's all from me now. If you like it, please do subscribe, and if you do want more, or if you're a critic, please do leave your comments. I will be more than happy to check them out and reply to them. This is SandyVLogs, and I'm signing off.